welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. It is a Monday, it is a new week, and we have a beautiful new collection here at Pratha. The first video today, I'm going to show you very pretty raw silk sarees in the exactly same pattern. The border will be the same for all sarees. Of course, the colors and combinations are different. Each saree is different and very beautiful. The price of all sarees today that we are showing is going to be same. So let's begin. This is the first one. The price of these sarees is 10,000 plus GST. This is the first one. A very beautiful magenta purple with a bright peach pink border. Okay, I'm just going to come close and show you all the border. Border has golden silver zari. Remember, all these are raw silk sarees. This is how the borders will look together. Beautiful temple design at the border as well. Okay, this is the saree and it has a nice rich zari pallu and contrast blouse. Pallu is not plain, it's a very nice rich pallu. This is the saree. We have beautiful combinations this time. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. We had this variety in our exhibitions, in our Pune and Mumbai exhibitions pre-Diwali, and this entire range was sold out very quickly. So we have them now back in stock. Now this one is again a very pretty one. Just look at this saree. Okay, so now this has a Ganga Jamuna from one point. Okay, so when you drape the saree, when you take the border from this side, maybe this portion, it will be a Ganga Jamuna. It will be seen silver. It's a very pretty one. This is the saree. This is the pallu. I'll just show you the pallu. Okay, a nice pink pallu, and all the sarees have contrast blouse. This is the blouse. Beautiful white. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a very pretty pink. I wouldn't call this Rani pink, it's more like a fuchsia pink kind of a color with a very beautiful deep navy blue border. A nice deep navy blue border, a very pretty saree. This is the pallu. I'll just show you the pallu. This is the contrast blouse. The blouse has a slight dhoop chhav element in it. Okay, this is the beautiful pink and navy blue combination. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very pretty yellow. Again, it has a navy blue border, a nice bright sunshine yellow. A beautiful combination. I know this is not going to last long. A very pretty one. This is the lovely pallu and it comes with a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. I'll just come close and show you how the borders will look together. This is the saree. These sarees are not transparent. It is raw silk. That's why you will see the texture, the thread lines on the sarees. The next one is a very pretty beige, beautiful fresh combination. It's beige with deep Rani pink. A very pretty saree. This is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The blouse is contrast. I hope you all are liking these sarees. These are the price once again is 10,000 plus GST. Now this is the next one. Very pretty magenta pink with deep purple at its border. A very beautiful nice festive party kind of a combination. Very pretty one. The golden silver zari lines look excellent. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The last saree, the last saree, another yellow. We saw a yellow with navy blue border. Now this is a beautiful yellow with fuchsia pink at its border. A very beautiful saree. This is how the borders will look together. This is the beautiful pallu and this is the blouse. So this this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This was our last saree of this video. I'm coming up with one more very interesting set of sarees. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.